There are many different types of robots. Some robots are for fun, while others have important jobs. There are many different ways that robots move around. Some use treads, others use legs, and a few use rotors, while the rest use wheels. Today I'd like to tell you about welding robots. Welding robots are not for fun. They have an important job to do. They do a job that can be boring, repetitive, and dangerous for humans. Robots' work is more accurate and reliable than humans' work. Like most factory robots, welding robots are stationary. That means they are bolted to the floor. They usually have big metal arms that have welding tools on it. Welding robots can weld together various metal components. Welding robots don't just weld together cars. They weld together refrigerators, washing machines, and even parts for wind turbines. In 1961, there were only a few industrial robots, but today there are more than 1 million.